Want the apps on your iPhone to automatically update when new versions become available? Watch this video to learn how to enable auto updates for apps on iOS. Open your iPhone Setting app, then scroll down and select App Store. Under Automatic Downloads, tap the switch labeled App Updates, on and off. When the switch is green, automatic app updates are enabled. If you want to only have updates automatically download on Wi-Fi, ensure that the automatic download switch under cellular data is turned off. If you're okay with using your cellular data to download apps, you can turn the switch on. To control how much data you want to allow app downloads to use, tap App Downloads, then select Always Allow. Let me do that. Always Allow, ask if over 200 MB, or Always Ask. This way, you can allow smaller sized update downloads and not larger ones, or have complete control over which automatic downloads are allowed and which ones aren't. If you found this video helpful or interesting, subscribe for more daily content.